Let's make coconut syrup using coconut water. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make coconut syrup. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're turning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Note that I already have a recipe for coconut syrup on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to check it out. In that recipe, I use coconut milk to make the coconut syrup. However, I had a commenter say, hey, I saw a recipe that used coconut water. And that commenter was myham OS4BQ. I don't know what that means, but thank you for that comment because now I had to try it. And here we are. A quick note on coconut water. I like using organic ingredients whenever I can. Organic coconut water has a tendency to oxidize when exposed to oxygen, obviously, when exposed to air. So it ends up developing a pink color if you're using organic. If that's going to bother you, if you want a crystal clear coconut water or coconut syrup, then use a non-organic version. To make this syrup, I am going to start with my coconut water. And I'm going to put 1 cup, which is 8 ounces, which is 240 milliliters, into my saucepan. I could use the whole thing, but I'm not going to today. And because I'm making a 1-to-1 syrup, 1 part liquid to 1 part sugar, I'm going to use 1 cup of sugar and put that in my saucepan as well. And now I'm going to take this over to the stovetop. Here at the stovetop, I'm going to put this over a medium-low heat. And I'm going to slowly raise the temperature and stir until the sugar dissolves. I'll be right back with you. Now that the sugar is dissolved, I'm going to remove this from the heat and allow it to cool to room temperature. Now that the syrup is cool, there's only one thing left to do. Bottle, label, and refrigerate. So pour it into the bottle. Probably going to need 2 bottles. Let's see if I spill. That's an interesting pink color. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little bit more left. I'll need another bottle. Masking tape or fancy label in case you have a fancy label. So, coconut, water, 1-to-1, 20 September 24. And there you have it, coconut syrup using coconut water. Enjoy. Question of the day, when you make coconut syrup at home, do you use coconut milk or do you use coconut water? Let me know in the comments down below and let me know your recipe. I'd love to give it a try. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts available. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow me on those. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe if you like coconut syrup, if you like making coconut syrup at home, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything else I do. Until next time, cheers.